front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, enter Play Store and download this application. Then open it, tap plus in the right corner, and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech. Name your function, give it description and tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.